A Hail Mary touchdown pass you have to see to believe from Week 7 of Prep Sports Extra. Check out this highlight. Minnetonka, unbeaten, hosting Edina. Final play of the first half. Hornets star quarterback Mason West lofts up a Hail Mary, and it's answered. Sam Stevenson, perfect spot in the back of the end zone, hauls it in for the touchdown. That would give the Hornets a 7-point lead at halftime. They would go on to take this one. Final score, 27-20, as Edina hands Minnetonka their first loss of the season. We have highlights of this game and so many more right now online at KARE11.com.